For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
On July 14, the practicing lawyer filed a petition in Kerala High Court requesting to ban protests in the state during the pandemic. The petitioner, identified as John Nupeli Jr., said lately there was an increase in protests in Kerala over various issues. During the protests, people failed to maintain social distancing and people were seen in close proximity to one another. The petitioner further added that this would lead to an increase in the spread of the virus in the state and sought High Court's intervention. The petitioner also recounted what the Chief Minister had said a few days ago. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan had said that some of the regions in Kerala were on the brink of community transmission. The petitioner also said that while protesting, the political parties violated safety protocol and thus the High Court must ban them for carrying out any kind of demonstrations. The petition also sought to withdraw the approval of political parties that conduct protests violating the COVID-19 protocol. The petition was considered by a bench headed by Justices N. Manikumar and Shaji P. Chali. On July 15, the High Court asked the Kerala state government to direct political parties in the state to follow COVID-19 guidelines while staging a protest. The Kerala High Court directed the state government to ensure that any political party or associations which organize a protest must follow the COVID-19 guidelines issued by the central and the state government. If any person or the party is found violating the rule, then they would be punished. The High Court also asked the government to ensure that the political parties take all the necessary precautionary measures while staging a protest. Ever since the gold smuggling scam came to light, protests have erupted across Kerala against the government. The protests saw participation from a large number of people who are mostly violating physical distancing norms. Most of the protests also ended in police using batons and water cannons to disperse the crowd. BJP National President JP Nadda too accused the Kerala government of indulging in scams and wrongdoings.
Misappropriation of funds, relief funds, mismanagement of funds, political patronage and political patronage to criminals. Along with this, the women atrocities, the Dalit atrocities, political appointments, nepotism in political appointments is prevalent by the Kerala government.
The Kerala government has come under the radar after the gold smuggling scandal came to light and several protests erupting over the same.